Hello friends, today I want to show you how to change the alarm sound on iPhone. First of all, open clock on your screen. Now, in the bottom, click alarm. Here in the top right corner, click plus. You can add a new alarm, choose time, then you can click repeat or one day or all days. Label, you can change name of alarm, and of course click sound and choose some sound. Now click back and click save. And now if we click edit and tap someone of alarm and click sound and choose some sound what you want, and then click back and click save, and your sound is changed. Friends, thanks for watching. I hope the video was useful to you. Support me by subscribing to channel. It is not difficult for you, but for me it's very important. Also like this video.